My name is Tom from Virtual Tours Creator, and we specialize in virtual tours for real estate. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a perfect virtual tour of a kitchen. We've done a lot of consumer testing, and now we know what are the most important things that have to be emphasized in a virtual reality tour. Tip number 1. We've taken a photo of the kitchen. Imagine we just took one from this point, and it's a perfect representation of the kitchen. But that's not enough for your potential viewers. They would like to see what's behind the benchtop, or the island, or an L-shaped kitchen. That's why you have to take another panorama from here. In this way, your viewers will exactly see where the oven, or the washing machine, or the microwave is. Second tip, after taking that photo to our software online, you can add so-called info points, and using them is going to allow you to emphasize the most important elements of the kitchen, like the brand of the oven, or the type of the kitchen benchtop, or the kind of the floor. Remember, kitchen is the second most important thing in your virtual tour, and always make sure you have one photo from the outside of the kitchen and one from the inside. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.